my boy named Sean. We're still in the tent. Yo, I'm in the tent at Comic-Con, and you know we got toys that's the bomb. It's AFX, and that's real. I got Lion-O, that's the real deal. Han Solo, yeah, it's limited edition, baby. You can't get it nowhere else, cause my boy named Pat get connections in China, yeah, he's cool like that.
Yo, ballin' every day, driving in a Mini Cooper with the stormtroopers on the side. Editions.
Millennium Falcon, man. We don't be with those Millennium Falcons, man. And check that guy over there. He just bought a toy like he doesn't even care. And we gotta restock pretty soon because we hustling so hard. Like, oh my god, they might kick us out of this Comic-Con scene because we badass motherfuckers and we mean.
Yo, Comic-Con is the bomb. Every single day is fucking red. Don't even know. Try to sell this shit on the street. Trying to import it.
Check this guy out. His name is Pat. He's super Chinese, but he's good at jiu-jitsu and selling toys. Selling toys. Check out the little out there. Lots of nerds. Ain't nothing to do but sit in my tent. Sit in my tent, sit in my tent. I got lots of toys over here, toys over there, toys all around like I just don't care, man. We got this Star Wars guy back there, and he's selling lightsabers, cause he's our neighbor. We're gonna steal one by the end of the day. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, still the